Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Happy Friday. I hope that you have had a good week. I have really had a good week. It has been raining most of the time, but yesterday I got out, I went on the beach a little bit, and I've got a lot done this week. And you can probably see the walls. We had them painted. They are Benjamin Moore Chantilly lace white. I did a lot of research on the different whites and which ones were more yellow, which ones were, you know how white paint is. And this is actually the same paint that I used to do my room upstairs. So I knew I liked it, but I've got a lot of other whites in the house that I like too, but I do know there is a big difference. And I really wanted this room to be bright, but not too cool and not too warm. So I think that we accomplished that. And you will also notice I still have not gotten my sofa. That was a cruel joke for them to send me they sent me an email saying that there would be someone contacting me locally to deliver it. So I gave away my sofa and the coffee table, which is no big deal. I'm still glad I gave that away to someone thinking I was getting the sofa that weekend. That was 2 weeks ago. And when I called them, she said, well, it says that it's a special order, that it's going to take 6 to 8 weeks. And I said, no, it's not a special order. I ordered the color that is supposed to be, it's the most common one, and it's supposed to be in stock. Matter of fact, they keep sending me emails. Oh, it's in stock. And so she came back on the line, and she didn't apologize or say I was right, but she basically said, well, anyway, it says on the website it's going to be 4 to 6 weeks. So I think it has been 6 weeks this weekend. I think so. So I'm hoping that I will hear from them, but it's really not that big of a deal because it was nice to not have to worry about it when they painted. They painted on Monday. And and I have been back and forth to the beach this week. And I was thinking this morning, I came home, and how lucky am I that even coming home is a wonderful thing. It's like, not only do I like to go away, I like coming home even better. I came home and deadheaded a bunch of my flowers and stuff and just had a great morning. And then I jumped in the shower. I just dried my hair and curled it with that big curling iron, and here I am to talk to you. Okay, I don't have that many things that I got this week, but I did get some good stuff. And so let me start off with like a home thing that I got. I ordered these rugs, which I think are so pretty, and I hope that you can see the texture. Let me put it close to me. Yeah, the texture in these. And I got these for my bathroom from Target. I'm not sure what the brand is. Is it one of those designers? Opal House. I like that Opal House stuff. The kicker is it does not really have like it doesn't even have, to me, it doesn't have to have a rubber background. I would rather it not. But it doesn't have really anything on the back. So I got 2 of them for my bathrooms. So I'm hoping that they will at least stay down and not be slippery. But I think they will. The other ones I got are from Target, and they've been fine. But I just saw these. I wasn't looking, just happened to see them and really liked the texture of them. The next thing I got this week, I'm lucky again. I got these from Beautylish. They sent these to me to try and to show you and tell you all about. It is the Wayne Goss new artist collection. Beautiful. You know I have a thing for bamboo, and that is how the handles of these look with the little loop at the end. They are beautiful, beautiful brushes. I haven't watched anybody else review them, but I watched his because I actually watched it before I got them and was thinking about getting these. But he describes these as 3 face brushes. And he said, this one you can use with anything. They are real hair. They're not synthetic, but they're still so soft. So what that does is it will pick up the product and just, I don't know, I feel like real hairs, especially when they're soft like this and have a lot of give, they kind of buff products into the skin and fade it out, make it more of a gradual fade out. So this you can use with any powder. This, he said, would be good for contour. Of course, you can use any brush for anything you want. I'm just saying what he said. And he was saying that this might be good for like the whole fox eye or whatever, but I'm thinking this is the good one for, you know, really getting your eye socket. And I have not tried these yet. I was thinking of waiting and trying them with you guys. I don't know if I'll be able to wait. I might go ahead and give them a try and then tell you. And it's got his name like engraved in the handle. Just a really, really beautiful Japanese brush collection. And I think this one has all of the signs that I like about I love a brush that's, you know, pointed. Why am I having a hard time with that word? Is it graduated? Is what I'm trying to say. And then you can go like that in the crease. Ooh, that is going to be a good one. So love these, and thank you to Beautylish. I'm going to save the best for last. This is a pair of sunglasses that I ordered. I saw them on sale on Nordstrom, and they are Sam Edelman. I've never had a pair of Sam Edelman sunglasses, but I saw these and I just thought they were so pretty. They're kind of like the, what is it, the Blaze, where they're flat. But you know, I love an aviator, and I love the see-through lens. And I just thought these were so pretty. I thought the sides of them were so pretty, and the tone of it's kind of like I would say is it like a maroon, like a really light maroon or something, and with the gold, they're just beautiful sunglasses. Now I got these like at the beginning of last week, and I thought they'll be sold out by the time I even show them, and they are. They're sold out, but I did see several other Sam Edelman nice pairs of sunglasses that were still on sale. I don't know how much I paid for these. It was cheap. It was like, I don't even know, $30-some, but I think they're so pretty. I love them. I love sunglasses. I just can never have too many. Last but not least, I do have something else. But let me go ahead and show you this. I was going through the Instagram stories, which I really don't do a lot. You would be surprised, which you won't be, because I've already told you I don't go on Instagram a whole lot, not as much as a lot of people. Sometimes I'll go all day, and sometimes I'll go a whole day and not even go on Instagram. And then, but a lot of times I'll go the whole day, and then when I'm laying down at the end of the day, relaxing, sometimes I'll go through. And the other day, I believe I was at the beach, I was going through the stories, and the girl that owns Rodial came up. I think her name is, she has that book that I really like. I want to say Margaret, something that starts with an M. And she was doing her makeup, and I was just sucked into how she was doing her makeup. It just looked so pretty, and everything she did was so simple but had such an impact. So I bought a couple of the products that she was using. The first one is this Diamond Concealer, and I am on the Rodial PR list, but I don't think I've ever gotten this before. I have gotten like some skincare. I love the banana powder. I could not find it. I wanted to use it today. I found my peach, but I couldn't find the banana. But anyway, so she was using this concealer, and it is the Diamond Concealer, luminous and creamy with diamond powder. And the shade is 20. And it's what I have on today. The only thing is, it is not as bright, and it's not as neutral as my favorite. My favorite concealer right now is the Dior Forever 1.5N. This is a little bit darker and a little bit warmer. But the way she was using it, there we go, you can see. It almost has like a peachiness to it. So I don't know what other, I'm going to have to look on the website again and see what other shade to try, because it is beautiful. It is full coverage without being stupid full coverage. You know what I mean? It reminds me, here it is rubbed in, it reminds me of Shape Tape a little bit. It reminds me of the Maybelline ones in the tube. If they ever made those Maybellines with a wand, oh, that would be the ultimate, because I do love those concealers, but sometimes I just would rather have the wand. But anyway, I love this, and as you can see, when you blend it out, it's not as peachy or as orangey looking. So that is what I have on today, and I set it with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Okay, and then the next thing she used, when she used this, I was like, I mean, immediately just went right then and ordered it. It's this brush, which she said was pretty important, and I agree. This brush is magical. It's the number 30 powder precision brush, and it is just beautiful. Just a beautiful, beautiful brush. And then this is, when I put this product on this morning, it made me so excited to tell you guys. It is the Bronze Glow Drops from Rodial, Illuminating Skin Perfector. Normally, I do not, very rarely do I get these. It's like I love them at first, and usually they end up being too oily for me. The color is off, something happens, and I don't end up still, you know, loving them and going to them. But these, oh my gosh, this is absolutely all I have on my cheeks. I don't have on any more blush, any more bronzer. The only other thing I have on is the YSL All Over Glow Powder that I set my foundation with. So what I did is I just took the wand out like that, and then put a little spot on my hand. And can you see how just beautiful the tone is? It's almost like a, I don't know, it's like a rosy skin color. And I just dab the brush in like this, and I don't have a, here, use this mirror. I was going to say, I took my stand-up mirror right there, and you just, I'm scared I'm going to do too much because I've already got, you just do like that. And look how illuminated. Let me do some more around here. That's what I did. I did it around my forehead. I'm using my monitor here, sorry. And then I even did around my jawline. And let me, gorgeous. I mean, I don't even, words can't describe this color. It is the rosiest, prettiest color ever. It is just so pretty. I love it. It is like everything you could ask for in like a bronzer, contour, blush combination. And when she did it, I mean, I was like, oh my gosh, I always love her makeup because it's very simple looking, but yet very striking. And now this is her secret. I mean, this brush, that's another thing. It comes clean. It's like the product comes right off of your brush. Just really nice. I really recommend you getting that. And then the last things I ordered from Zara, I got two, actually I've got the other, I bought all three colors in a dress that you guys are getting ready to see in an upcoming video. Hold on, let me go get it, because I've got one of them that I've already worn and it's drying over a chair in the kitchen. Let me go get it. Here it is. Oh, it's inside out. Like I said, I just had it drying across the chair. So it's this little sexy, sexy, fabulous little slip dress. It is just perfection. It goes down, you know, it's a midi dress, so it goes like past the knees, and it is double lined in here. So if you wanted to go with no bra, you could. I just wear like the Lively bras that I just got look beautiful with it because of the double straps. And this is the first one I got, and I loved it so much that I ordered the purple one, lavender purple, and the black. So this is one of my purchases of the week. And then I ordered these pants, and they are so cute, and they actually have a top that goes with them, but I couldn't decide on the top. I don't know how far down it would go, but I might take a risk and order it. But look at how cute these little pants are. They are just so pretty. I love the color and I love the look of them. And so I ordered these, and I have been loving my little Kate Spade bag. This is the bag I've been carrying just all summer, and I've just loved the simplicity of it, and I've really, really enjoyed it. And you know, baguettes are so in style. I kept seeing this one on Zara, and I just love it. There's just something about this blue. It's so, you know, retro, kind of a 60s blue, and I love just the shape of it. Oh, let's take this out. See, it's in here. Oh, it does have a long strap, so you could do it crossbody. Well, that is good to know. I might go ahead and change into this and use it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. So it's got a good, I'll have to see how my big wallet fits in here. I got it for mostly a going out bag or going out of town or just a day bag. But this is a fabulous dress that I just got from Free People. And it actually cuts all the way down, but because I can't do that, or I'm not willing to do that, I have on just it's actually one of my favorite bras. It is from, I'll link it below, but it's sheer and it's like no wire. I think it's CUUP, that's the name of it, but this dress is so cool. It has like a linen type texture. It's less than $100 and it is also a midi dress. And I just have on, I brought my, here, let me show you the shoes. Brought these out here to wear with it. And I might, if I go anywhere before I go back down to the beach, but at the beach you really don't wear shoes like this. I just have on these, which go with everything on earth. So as long as you have on the wedge, I think it's all right because it just gives you that good posture. Okay, you guys, I think that's it. And I was thinking I could wear some of my shoes I just got from Walmart. Both of those shoes would really look good, especially these. Hold on. These would really look good with this dress because of the texture. But I don't know if I'm going to wear anything that formal. But thank you, too, for your great response on the Walmart fashion video. I could do one of those once a week and find good stuff every time. It is just, it's really neat. So, is that it? Is that it? Is that it? I do have some updates. I have a product that I want to tell you that she used on my hair. And I was going to, I had my hair done this week and she did a little something different with my color. But I'm going to save that to add to another video that I might do after this. Or I'll do this weekend. But I'll save that for that next video. So this one won't be so long. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and I will see you real soon. Bye-bye.